I'm going to show you how to add Vimeo videos to your small business website. I'm right here pretending I'm building a website for my candy store because, hey, why not? Who doesn't want to own a candy store? And so pretending I own a candy store, I'm using Mighty Sites because Mighty Sites is only $9 a month to build simple professional website for your small business. Now, what I'm going to show you here is how to add Vimeo videos to your website. If you're using Mighty Sites, it's straightforward. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you're using another website platform, this will work for you too. It's just going to have a little bit different step, which I'm going to tell you in this video. So first thing I'm going to do, if you're not familiar with Vimeo, here it is. You've got all types of videos. You can create an account, host your videos on there, use them for all different purposes, such as putting them on your website. And so what I'm going to do is go to Elfsight. So Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. Elfsight is only $0 a month. They've got a free plan, $5 or $10 a month, just depending on the plan that you select. And I'm going to go right over here and click on create widget for free. Now I can select if I just want to do like one video, a video showcase with other thumbnails below it. It just really depends on the video and your goal here. So for this, I actually like that with this video playing. So I'm going to select this template, and then I'm going to click continue with this template. Now you can put in your source and connect your Vimeo right here, and then click on add this to my website for free. You can always change the layout later if you want to, but what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on close. We'll just use the example. So to add this to your site, you click on install and then you copy code. Now, if you have a different platform, there are tutorials right here for the other platforms. So you just go and search for the tutorial you need for these other platforms. For this, for Mighty Sites, I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to head over here to my website, to the front end where I'm editing it. Now in editing mode, I'm going to click right here on Elfsight, paste it in, save it, and close. And now when I get out of editing mode, I'm going to click on stop editing. Now you can see when I scroll down, now my videos load right here. And I even have the settings so they just start playing, right? And then people can scroll through, click on the other videos right without leaving the site. I don't know what this example is. Probably not what goes with my candy store example, but imagining that you do have like maybe a video walkthrough of your business or that my candy store in this case, this would be a great spot to showcase it on my website. So that's how simple and easy it is to add it to your site. If you're using Mighty Sites, it's just like that. Otherwise, we'll put the links to Mighty Sites and Elfsight down below so you can go ahead and get started. Super easy way to really make your website more robust and leverage that video content that you've created for your business. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll catch you in the next video.